Hi all, this is Ollie at InvestQuest. On this channel we talk about investing. A quick caveat, I'm not a financial advisor and anything I say should not be construed as financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. Now this video is on lifelong investing, crypto and Web 3.0 technology. So you look at YouTube and you see a lot of thumbnails and clickbait in the crypto space, a lot of stuff on low cap gems and stuff that, for a lot of people and a lot of investors, it misses the broader picture. And so that's why, that's what prompted this video. There's a book that I've been reading called The Spatial Web, How Web 3.0 Will Connect Humans, Machines and AI to Transform the World. And in the book, it outlines how in 2018, 50% of humanity was connected to the internet. Over the next decade, billions more will come online. So in Web 3.0, everything comes online. Trillions of objects, every device, object, and vehicle comes online. In addition, the book outlines how there are cracks starting to appear with Web 2.0 tech. Okay, we all know this. There's privacy concerns around Facebook, YouTube scraping our data, surveillance capitalism, the censorship of people getting banned from platforms like Twitter, and other creepy stuff like our mobile phones listening to us while we sleep, okay? In Web 3.0, it's a world in which we have avatars, a world in which AR and VR merges with the Internet of Things, AI and blockchain, these decentralized protocols. And it really is a fascinating read. Now, why am I referring you to this? The reason is that, if you can accurately predict the future, then you can make long-term decisions on your, your investments. I'd also recommend you check out an Essence of Crypto video, which I'll link in the description below, entitled Crypto Future. Now, he's a newer YouTuber, but I find that a lot of his explanations, really resonate with me. So I will link that in the description. And a few things that he says that I've been talking about as well. Essentially, technology is deflationary. So all things being equal, that would otherwise result in products and services becoming cheaper. But we know that isn't happening in economies across the world due to the money printer going brr. So central banks printing or creating digitally lots of fiat currency. Now, at the same time, you've got wages stagnating in real terms. And why is that? I would direct you to a book by Andrew Yang called The War on Normal People. In that book, he talks about the intersection between technology, capital, and labor, and how technology and capital are converging and stripping out labor. So labor has less and less worth, and technology and capital are converging in that sense. So we all know that. If you look at where society, where value is accruing, it's in the technology companies. And why is that? It's because the marginal cost of production is close to zero for a Facebook or a YouTube or a Spotify to have another user, right? So what all that means is that, you want to be looking at technology and becoming a lifelong investor in that area, because that is where a huge amount of value is going to accrue over the next decade. Now, in terms of crypto specifically, crypto, it's highly volatile. In the short term, it'll also likely go into a bear market, possibly within the next 6 months. But in the long-term macro, some of the protocols will become extraordinarily valuable. And just like it would have been hard to fathom the size and worth of a Google or an Amazon 10 years ago, 10 years from now, it will be hard to comprehend the worth of some of the protocols in the crypto space with their growing use cases. and in some cases government adoption, along with large corporates starting to use them. So that's just some musings for today. If you've got any comments, please leave them in the comments area. Do you believe that crypto is going to be the future? Do you believe that other technologies are worth looking at? If you've got anything to add, please add it to the comments. Okay, cheers guys.